I feel happy today. I feel happy today.
I am very tired. I am very tired.
I feel excited. I feel excited.
I am nervous. I am nervous.
I feel sad sometimes. I feel sad sometimes.
I am angry right now. I am angry right now.
I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself.
I am surprised. I am surprised.
I feel lonely. I feel lonely.
I am bored at home. I am bored at home.
I feel grateful every day. I feel grateful every day.
I am scared of the dark. I am scared of the dark.
I feel confident today. I feel confident today.
I am confused. I am confused.
I feel calm and peaceful. I feel calm and peaceful.
I am embarrassed. I am embarrassed.
I feel hopeful. I feel hopeful.
I feel jealous. Jealous sometimes. I feel jealous sometimes.
I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now.
I am disappointed. I am disappointed.
I feel worried about tomorrow. I feel worried about tomorrow.
My mood changes every day. My mood changes every day.
I feel better after sleep. I feel better after sleep.
I am so excited to see you. I am so excited to see you.
Can I share my feelings with you? Can I share my feelings with you?
My heart is full of love. My heart is full of love.
I feel brave and strong. I feel brave and strong.
I am thankful for today. I am thankful for today.
Feelings are part of life. Feelings are part of life.
I choose to feel happy. I choose to feel happy.